to do. Okay, if it is to do, okay, then this color will be, the background color will be red. So the text color will be like white and the background color will be red. Okay, so if it is for to do, then it will show like this. So if I make it done, see, okay, for the same one, if I create another rule, and this one is for whip. Okay, so for the whip, it will like text color will be the white and the background color will be the green. Okay, then done. And here for the done, see, so now if you select something, like you make it to do, it will change the color automatically. So by this you can easily visualize like the status of your work. See, so this is the thing we can do by using the conditional formatting. Okay, and also, like if we want to merge, if we want to merge with one column to another column, we can do this. Just select this and click on the merge. Merge cells, only keep the upper left value and discard the other values. Okay, I think we can merge only the cell. Yeah, see, so it just merge a cell. Basically we do this thing like here, insert rows. So let's say make it white. Okay, oh, it's already merged. I think I clicked there, that's why it's merged. So merge. Okay, so now here you can write something for the whole like, because all the cells I have merged. So here if I write that this document is for tracking the sorry, tracking for the team members action items. Okay, and I just make it bold and little bit. Okay, see, so you can merge this. And also let's say I just all this, I want to all this information into a table. I can just select this and click here and just click all the borders. So here it will inside the sorry, inside the Excel, it will keep your all the information into a table. Okay, by the way, so do you have any questions so far now? Though I have showed so many things. Famid,
No, Pratibha,
Famida.
I don't have any question.
Okay,
I'm good.
okay, that's good. Okay, so this is how you can like add the tables. And also like let's say I don't want to like you have a file and those files information is like this, it's added into the table, but you don't want to add the you want to remove the table. So what you can do, just simply select those and click on there and just click on this no border, so it will remove all the tables. Okay, okay, let me make it into the table. It's looking nice. Okay, okay, and here also you have the format painter. So you already know these tools, how to work this. So the same thing here also. And here we have like we also, you can insert the file here, we can insert the chart here. Okay, this is this thing you will need to prepare the report, like to prepare the like what is it called, burn down chart, or like tracking progress. Like you can also prepare the chart. You can here from here you can make the gap width. You can also mm, by this you can why it's okay. From here just select this low, and though we don't nowadays we have like our tools, project management tools. From there we get the chart report automatically, but still if you have to do manually, you can do from here. uh Major type labels, calibrate exit style. Okay, okay, this is the title we can change. So like burn down, and here how can I add the okay, I think from here units for okay, this is how we can change the unit of fair data table. Okay, so yeah, here you can like you can vertical axis, then horizontal. By this you can also like you can start with the minimum number. Like here you start with the minimum 0, the maximum is 1.2, then the major units is 0.2, minor units is the 0.04. So here you can set all of these like from here. Just select and then change the information. You can also change the font and like font size, color, all these things you can change from here. Okay, and also if you want to insert any picture, the same thing, you can select and you can change the picture. You can add the picture here. So this thing, you sometime you may need to add some screenshot or something picture you need to add. You can just simply add that picture, though you cannot adjust into a cell. You have to basically you have to show the picture like this. Okay, and also if you want to add any shapes, you can also add the shape here also from select here. Okay, and the important thing also another one, like you created a excel file, and you send this file to your manager, and your manager put some comments. Okay, or you get an excel file from your team members, and you have to sorry, excuse me, you have to review that file. So after that file you just put some comments there. Okay, so instead of you set up a meeting with that person, then you tell everything, then you change the information, I mean just all, instead of doing all of this thing, you can simply put the comments here. Let's say like you want to change this, right? So just you can select this and click on new comment and put a comment here that and oh sorry, what, okay, instead of writing uh create, write, make, something like this. So you put a comment and you just send it. So that person, see, it's showing a icon here, and if that person is over here, you will be able to see that there is a comment. And also if that person have some reply, that person will reply here, and you guys can like put communicate here also. Okay, and based on this, like I change here